Hello, I am Pankaj Saran and I am going to continue the topic Python, the revision tour for class 12th. It may be the last class, lecture of the Python revision tour. Next turn I will start the new concept. It is just a revision tour. Now, next topic is sorting. What is meaning of sorting? Sorting is arrangement of data in particular order. It may be in ascending order or in descending order. It can perform on numeric value or string value. There in your syllabus there are two types of sorting: bubble sorting and insertion sorting. In bubble sorting, what is the principle of bubble sorting and insertion sorting? First, I will see this. In bubble sorting, as the bubble moves in any liquid, it replaces the liquid when it is moving towards the direction in which it is given. Now, similarly, same concept is here. In bubble sorting, it compares the content value and replace at that time when the condition is true. Means if it compares, if condition is true, then it will exchange the value and to the top and continue the process, and here continuous comparison and replacement perform. Whereas in insertion sorting, here first any term is treated as a temporary variable, and its value is compared to all other values, and if condition is true, then it replaces in a single step. So here in bubble sorting, here comparison and replacement perform simultaneously. In insertion sorting, comparison perform the entire list of values, and replacement perform at a when comparison is performed, and at that time insertion sort replacement perform. So here once replacement perform on every comparison, whereas in bubble sort, here comparison and replacement perform simultaneously. Suppose I am giving the concept here. Example, suppose it is a given number suppose it is a number suppose it is a given number and you have to sort. Now in bubble sorting, what will be in bubble sorting? In bubble sorting, here replacement comparison and replacement perform simultaneously, and in insertion sort, it will take the first element as a temporary variable as a key value and compare the other values to the replacement. Now one more thing, that bubble sort moves from starting to forward direction, and in insertion sort by picking it moves forward direction, but for comparison and replacement it moves to the backward direction. Let us see through this example. Suppose it is a number in bubble sort. In bubble sort, suppose it is a list A and it is a subscript zero to 6, means it is of 7 index number, and we have to perform sorting. Suppose first I will take this element and compare with this element, and our condition we have to arrange in ascending order. Now for ascending order, lower value will be at the beginning and higher value just below after that. Now in this case, this is smaller than this, then it will replace 10 will here, 15 will here. Now 15 and 5 will compare. Now in this case 5 will here and 15 will here. Now 15 and 20 compare, condition is false, so there will no replacement. So here 20 here. Now 20 and 1 comparison, so condition is true, so 20 will here and 1 will here. In 20 and 25 condition is true, condition is false, so there will no replacement. In 30 and 20 there is no condition true, no replacement. So in the first iteration this perform. Now again it starts from top, compare this and this, it is smaller than this, then it will replace. First it will be 10, now 10 will compare with 15, condition is true. Now 1 is compared with 15, now it will 1 and here 15, now 15 and 20 no difference. Then 20 and 25 no difference, 25 and 30 no difference. In next case it will start again from the top, so 5 and 10 no problem, 10 and 1 problem, condition is true, it will replace 10, no difference, no difference, no difference and no difference. In the next iteration this will compare. Now in next iteration 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. It is a concept of bubble sort. It is arranged in ascending order. Here concept is it compare and replace simultaneously. If the condition find true, it will replace the value at that time. Now if I take the example of insertion sort, same concepts, I take the same example for insertion sort. Now in insertion sort means first you have to take the you have to start from the not from the 0th value, you have to start from first value and move backward in the direction, and if condition becomes true then you have to compare and replace. Now I take the first value and we have to compare from the just before value. Now condition is true. Now next iteration it will be 10 here and 15 here. Next there is no problem, no difference. Now next iteration I will take 5. Now it will start from here and move towards the 0th location and compare whether the condition is true or not. So it will start from here and moves toward here. If find, then replace the value. Now next iteration it moves from 15, condition is false, condition is true, and now move again. Here replacement will not perform at the comparison time, it will perform when the comparison perform at the beginning level. Now 5 and 10 condition is true, then here 5 will replace 10 and 10 will be here and 15 will be here. Next there will be no change. Now next time we have to select 20. 20 move from 15, 10 and 5. Here condition is not true, so there will be no change in this process. Next in the next iteration I will take 25. I will take 1, and in this concept it will start from here and move towards here. It compares from here, it's this value to this and this. If condition becomes true, then it will replace the starting value where the value find and exchange the value. But here replacement is not performed at time of comparison. Now move from 20, 15, 5, 10 and 5, it compared with 1. In comparison it finds that there is no difference, but 1 and 5 difference. Now 1 will here 5, 10, 20, 25, 1, 5, 1, 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So it is a concept of insertion sort where it starts from the ith value and move towards the 0th value, and in between it compares all the values. If condition true in any position, it will replace the value at that time. So here comparison performed entire, then replace the value, whereas in bubble chart it compares one by one, always start from the top, and comparison and replacement perform simultaneously. Let us see the program of these two sorting. We have a program of bubble sort. You can see through eval is a function through which we can enter the values in list or tuple. So through eval I enter the value, and it is just a printing of list. Now I find the length. Why I find the length? Because there is no limit, there is no fixed number. We can set whatever our desire, we can set according to our desire. Then because of that I find the length of that particular list, and there is two loop. One loop for it is a loop for the picking the value, and it is for the comparison of values. Now first it will start from 0 to n. What is the n? N is the length. Now second loop, it is a loop for comparison. It starts from 0 to n minus 1. Why n minus 1? Because I am taking here j plus 1. So it takes n minus 1. If current term is greater than aj plus 1 next term, then there will be perform replacement. It is a logic of replacement, exchange of value. So it is a logic, and through this the exchange of value can be performed, and here you can find the list. Now for the execution of program, shortcut key is F5. Suppose enter values. For entering list values, you have to enclose in square bracket. Suppose I enter, it is up to me to select the number according to the choice. It will sort whatever the number I will take. Suppose I stop here a number, this number of list element, and now enter. List before sorting it is this, and after sorting it is in this form. Before sorting number is displaying as we entered. So here there is no limit. Suppose you can enter, suppose you run the program and you enter only in this time, you enter 1 3 3 7. Now you can enter 5, or you can enter 10, or you can enter 20. Whatever number of element you want, input in here, and it will sort your numbers. Suppose I enter 10 numbers. So you find that it will sort whatever the number you enter. That's why this length function is used, because there is no limit of entering the number. So this is the concept, this is the program. We have learned the concept on the board, and it is the program for bubble sort. Here you can say comparison perform and replacement perform simultaneously when the condition is true. Now I pick the program for insertion sort. Here the difference between it is that it is same that while we enter the value, same concept. Difference is that in starting I take the key value k, and we have to start comparison from that position to the backward direction up to the starting subscript, which is 0. It will move from now condition is while j greater than equal to 0 and k is the key value less than aj, means as it finds it will continue the loop until it reaches to the starting index and key value is less than the current value. It will continue. And what is the meaning of this? J is equal to j minus 1. It is decrease the index. You have it is because we are moving towards the backward direction. Otherwise, if there is a condition becomes false, we have to place what next element as a k. What is the k value? It is the key value. Now run. Suppose I enter any number. Suppose I enter only 3 numbers. It will sort it. It will up to you in this program whether the program is of bubble sort or insertion sort. In both, it is up to you to select the limit of the element for finding the sorting in the given numbers. So it is the concept of bubble sort and insertion sort. It is a concept of bubble sort and insertion sort through which you can compare both of them. You can compare the difference between here and here. 2 loops are here. It is for the picking element and it is for the comparison. When comparison perform, then replacement will perform. This is all about sorting in bubble sort and insertion sort, and it is the completion of the topic Python, the revision tour. In next turn I will give some assignment on the basis of loop, dictionary, list, tuples and sorting, and I will start new topic which is new for you in the next turn. Thank you.